Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to make a Roblox character out of Legos. Obviously, you don't need exactly these colors. You know, I just chose these because I don't have them. Anyways, what we're gonna do is start with the feet. So you need a 4x2 block, I think, like this. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put these as the legs. Now, what you could do is customize it. So I would put like this here. So you just need it like about, you just need it high enough to reach, like, I don't know, height. So what you could also do, because I don't remember how I made this, I guess you could just do this, and you could put it like this. So you need it like this. And once you got that, you could start with the rest of the body. So let's just do this. You need it high enough, like this high. Once you got it that high, you gotta put 2 blocks that like look the same. Oh, not this one. This one. And you gotta put it like this. Let's go back. No, like this, right? And you need these. Oh. And you need these star blocks. You need 3 of them. There's like 2 of them right here. Or right here. As you can see, it's already starting to look more like a Roblox. So, what the next thing you need this blue block or any block and put it right here. So once you got that, we're gonna start with the rest of it. We're gonna put this. This is like kind of main, I'm not sure. Alright, so you don't need these whole ones. You could just do regular ones that are like this tall. Obviously, I'm not going to use that. So you use this as a hoodie. Okay, so next, what you need is got to put a block right here. After that, you need this block. I don't know what it's called. You need it like this. And you put it like that, and then it's a Roblox skin here. Obviously, it's not the best Roblox skin, but it's a Roblox skin. Now these are extra pieces. I don't even know why I have this here, but they're extra pieces, I guess. You don't have to put this. I guess you could put it here as like a little decoration or something. I don't know. I guess if you want to make a hat, you can. But I don't really know. No, but yeah, that's pretty much how you make a Roblox skin. I don't really know. I don't know if this is good enough, but it's a Roblox skin. You know, if you don't have $4 laying around to buy a mystery box, you could just make this Roblox skin. Obviously, you can't move. You have to put like this here and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this somewhere. Where should I put this? Not really sure where I should put this, but let's make a tool or something. Alright, like that, I guess. Alright, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. Bye.